GM guys, you're welcome. Today I quickly want to show you guys, especially those that are just getting started on Helios blockchain testnet, how you can, what you can do to quickly rank up the leaderboard, how to gain more XP much more faster than the other people. So what others doesn't know. So I quickly want to show you to you guys, and as you can see, Helios has been securing different meaningful partnership, driving attention to their ecosystem. And as you can see, they have partnership with Vala network, with Billions network. And as you can see, and one thing is, I'm not really sure whether Helios will end up being on Kaito. But one thing I can tell you is, if you don't have that edge, you don't have that large number of followers that that can yap, that for you to get mind shares and like, I will just advise you to stick to grinding for the Helios testnet. Although there's no assurance of how many testnet users that will be rewarded, but one thing I can tell you is, if you can put in all the effort and you try to rank up the leaderboard, your chances of being rewarded is much more higher. And if you feel like you have the edge on Kaito, like, you can take advantage of the Kaito. That's if the desire to go on Kaito, of course, I don't know. So let me just get to it. Okay, so this is just my second account. I have another account, and as you can see, okay, on this one is just this is just level 19. One thing I like about Helios testnet is, you don't necessarily have to go to their Discord and be grinding for roles separately. The more you are clicking on the testnet, the more tasks, the more transactions you are doing, the more level you will be going here, and it will be automatically reflected in their Discord server. So let's get to it. So one thing you need to know is, there are series of tasks that you can currently do that will earn you XP. And as you can see, different okay, this is just from the SPs I earn from referral. And one thing is, even if you refer somebody and the person is not active, is not actively participating in the testnet, you are not getting any reward. So it's not like, if you like, you can invite 5 million people and they are not active, then you are not earning anything meaningful from them. So, but even if you don't invite people, the more you can click, and the more you can strategize, the more XP you tend to gain. So let's just get to it because of our time. So first thing first, after you have registered, make sure you link up your Discord account with on their testnet page. And after you are done, then to earn XP, just first of all come here on their faucet and claim test token. So okay, let me do this verification. Okay, claim token. So the moment you successfully claim the test token, you can come to the okay. So if I come here now, you can see now, claim token plus 600 SP. So the next thing is, I will drop the link to all these websites in the description below, so that you can easily get to click on them. So if you click on their testnet portal, so currently they have suspended the bridge, like they said they are doing maintenance and whatever. So but other things you can do is click on validator. So after clicking on validators, click on stake now and stake some Helios. You can just take one. So after staking, so okay, so after staking, so the previous token I've staked, so I can claim reward for it. So if I click on claim all reward, so what I'm claiming is the staking reward. So after claiming it, Okay, that's been claimed. So let's go back here and see. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, you can see I earned 275 XP by staking HLS, and I also earned 275 by claiming reward. So you can see now the XP are adding up. And okay, I also claim I also got 412 from delegate consensus. So, and okay, you can see how the SP are adding up now. So what other thing you can do is come to governance. Okay, so vote on any of the ongoing governance. Let me vote on this. Scroll down, vote yes or no, and sign the transaction in your wallet. Okay, I have successfully voted. And also you can you can create your own proposal. So let's just put proposal. Let me just, okay, proposal is also proposal. So copy it, I paste it in the description to change this to test proposal, submit proposal, and sign the transaction. So the same way you voted on someone else proposal, okay, you can see here's mine. So the same way you voted on someone else proposal, they can also vote on your own proposal too. So, and after doing that, let's check if we've gotten the SP for that. Okay, you can see vote proposal 275 XP. So what else you can do to earn more SPs? Click on this and come to token deployer. So in the token deployer, you can just deploy your token. It can be, you can put in any name. Let me just put proposals. So, and token symbol props. Okay, denomination, let me just put a props, and token supply, just punch in any number of your choice. Deploy token and confirm it in your wallet. Okay, it has been successfully deployed. Okay, as you can see, so let's check how many SP do we get for that. Token deploy, you can see I got 1650 XP by deploying a token yeah, on the testnet. So you can see now the tokens are adding up. And also you can see under the daily mission, they bring different missions like daily for you to do, even though you can do more than the missions listed here, like, and also there are some missions that you can do them like 5 times a day. So I think most people don't know that, and that's just great I'm sharing with you guys. So for example, now this token deploy, so you can do it maximum of, I think it's 3 times. So you can deploy token 3 times. That's the maximum per day, and the interval should be 5 hours. That means in the next 5 hours I can come back and deploy another token like the way I did this one, and I will also get another SP. I think most people don't pay attention to that token deploy, and you can, you know, use it to your own advantage to level up very quickly. So that's just it. And other things you can also do is, if you come to the Helios blockchain ecosystem, so you can see different projects that are currently listed on the Helios testnet. So you can just visit any of the platform, you can interact on them. But so far, most of them are, you know, they are still coming soon. But the ones that are already live, you can start interacting with them. But the ones that I've already confirmed that interacting with them will earn USP. So one of them is you can see what's it called, Solari Swap. So I already have it here, solariswap.finance. So just come here and just make swap Helios HLS to any token. So let me just swap one. So click on swap. Okay, first of all, allow the permission, then you can now confirm the swap transaction, and for that you will earn some XP. And this one too, this swapping, you can do the swapping for maximum of 5 times a day, but it has to be done in I think it is in it's also in 5 hours interval. So it means if you do want the swapping transaction now, wait for the next 5 hours, come back, do another one, so you keep earning SP for that. So let's check for this action we just did. So as you can see now, dex swap 165 XP end. So you can see when I started I started from I started this tutorial from level 19. Now I'm on level 21. So imagine you are doing this consistently over and over and over. You can see that you will quickly rank up. So your target should be being within the top, maybe top 2000, top 3000, but try as much as possible to rank up to the top 1000 or top 2000 if possible, so that at least you will beat a lot of people that are not even that much active. And also another action you can do is, if you come to this website remix.ethereum.org, so click on contract, you can use this template storage.sol, then click on this solidity compiler and solidity compiler and compile the contract, then come on click on deploy and run, then change this to metamask. So just click on it and come down to browser extension and click on metamask. So okay, you can see now it's showing up my wallet. It's because I've already connected. So click on deploy and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Okay, so for the contract deployment, I think you can only do that one just once a day, like once within 24 hours. So if you do it now, that means you have to wait till the next 24 hours. So it's not like you can't continue doing it, but you can only earn SP once a day. So let's check for this too. Okay, you can see contract deploy, we got 275 XP for that. So don't make the mistake. There's difference between contract deploy and token deploy. So and another thing you can do to earn XP is, if you come to this website nft2me.com, so connect your wallet, connect to Helios Testnet network. Okay, so you can see I'm already connected to Helios Testnet network, and just put in any name. Let me use this as well, proposal. That's the name for the NFT collection I'm trying to create. So okay, let me take it from scratch. So let's say you have connected your wallet now. Click on editions and it will take you down here. It's as simple as that. Then put in, so put in the name, the description, then upload any image. It can be anything, just any image, and deploy to Helios Testnet. So just wait for it to upload and confirm in your wallet. Okay, it has successfully deployed. So let's check for that. You can see NFT collection create 660 SP and so that's how you I've completed this one too. So that's how you quickly by doing this often, like every day. And also for the NFT create NFT collection create, I think you can do that one 5 times a day. Yeah, 5 times a day. Yeah. And also let it be probably within the interval of 5 hours. So that means in the next 5 hours you can set your alarm so that in the next 5 hours come back, do it, then you get another SP. So you don't have to wait till after 24 hours. So, and also another thing is, if you come on sweep.house/Helios, so come here, connect your wallet. Okay, so connect your wallet. So on Helios network, just mint this NFT. So the max you can mint is 500, but don't miss that 500 at once. So just be minting it in 5 hours interval, so that you'll be able to be getting the SP. Because if you minted all these NFT like the maximum of 500 at once, that means you will only be able to get SP for it just once, and it will just be normal SP. But if you are minting it in the in 5 hours interval, you will be getting SP for every mint you made. So okay, successfully minted. Let's check. Okay, you can see now NFT claim 220 SP. So 220 SP. So if you come here now, you can see different under decentralized exchange. They currently have SolarisSwap and LunariSwap. Under Launchpad, they only have Omniport.fun, and under Launchpad we have Omnifund, Lunary Raise, and this one is coming soon. Like most of all these ones, they are just coming soon, but the ones that are already live, you can be using them. And also, if you want to create NFT, whenever you want to create NFT, if you don't want to use this nfts2me.com, you can use any of this one, either Mintpad or OmniHub. So you can use any of those ones and you will be getting SP for that. So I want to believe you are able to gain one or two things about how to earn more SP on Helios. And also the more you are doing this, the more often you are with doing the testnet interaction, you tend to gain multiplier tags. So like this now, for this account I currently have none. So if you are very consistent, you can see different multiplier tag you tend to gain. So I think after you've done a lot of swapping and the likes, you tend to first of all gain this multiplier. So, and if you gain this multiplier, that means whatever point you are earning, it will be ×2. So like for example, now in this my account, you can see I have these multiplier tags already, and you can see I'm yet to get on some other tags. So the more often or the consistent you are, the more you can see here I'm already on level 91. So you too, you can try to be very consistent, like just keep doing it, and have it in mind. Currently there's no assurance of any reward, but we all know this is a layer 1 blockchain, and of course there will be rewards. So they don't necessarily have to be shouting it like there will be reward, there will be reward. Just be consistent, make sure, like, try as much as possible, be among the top 2000, top 1000, and just be consistent with it. So there are some tasks, like I showed you, there are some tasks like this token deployer. Every 5 hours, come and be doing it. You will be earning a good, I think, okay, you can see it is from here we get that sizable amount of SP. So imagine I get to do this 5 times, you know how many SP I will gain, and before you know it, your level will just keep increasing and increasing. And also be very consistent in their be very active and consistent in Helios Discord server. Make sure you are consistent there, like give your best for this project, and hopefully you'll be rewarded very well. So thank you very much. If you have any question, if you have anything you want to ask, drop it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. And if from this video you were able to gain 1 or 2 things, please comment, like, share, and don't forget to follow. Thank you very much. Have a blessed week. Bye.